Going through the sales history for this book published by a self publisher and individual, this seller has been recording sales for the past 30 days. Okay, looking at this chart represents bestseller rank. And when a bestseller rank is going down, looking at this chart, it shows that the demand for the book is increasing. From 18th of March, the bestseller rank was 4,360. It went up to 4,622, 4,877, and it's been going down, meaning that demand has increased. For the past 30 days, it's been going down, 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 down. And now, as at date, this bestseller rank, the bestseller rank for this book is at 4,774, 4,000, less than 500, which shows that the people are actually buying this book. The seller is recording sales every month and using the bestseller rank to check how much this person is making every month and every day. This seller is recording 251 copies every day, 7,530 every month, and $9,666 every day, $28,990,000 every month. This is incredible. This is just from one single book. This seller is making above $28,000 every month. This is unbelievable, and this is just a self-publisher, and there are other self-publishers making similar amounts every day. I'm going to be showing you. So in this video, I'll be showing you the niche this seller is using to break this record every day and every month. And this is just a recent book. The part is that this niche is evergreen. It's not seasonal. It's something that anybody can search on Kindle store any day and buy. The niche we'll be talking about today is Bible story coloring book for kids age 3 to 6. Now, when you search for Bible story coloring book, the search result will come up like 10,000 or more than that. But when you niche it down to Bible story coloring book for kids 3 to 6 years, the search result will come down to 1,299. It's a little above 1,000. Like when analyzing the niche, if the niche score is 1,000 or less, it shows that the competition is low. Now this search result is a little above 1,000. There is still opportunity for anyone that wants to publish on this niche to go ahead and publish it, because this niche is very relatively less competitive. And when you check the niche score is giving 63. Now when the niche score is above 50, that means people are searching for that niche. Now this one is 63, shows that this niche is trending, like people are searching for it. And like I said, this niche is evergreen. It's not seasonal. It's always in demand, because people are searching for Bible story book to buy for their kids, to keep them busy and to also help them to know things about God and to draw them closer to God. There are so many reasons parents buy this kind of book for their kids. So this score has proven that people are searching for this book. So I will be checking 1, 2, 3, or 4 different books on the first page of Kindle store published by individuals to determine the demand, because it's one thing for people to search for a niche, is another thing for them to buy. Now remember that this niche is Bible story book for kids. Now under this niche you have different titles. You can craft a title for your own book. For instance, this one is Bible verse coloring book for kids. You have Bible story Christian coloring book for kids. You have ABC Bible coloring book for kids. There are a lot of titles under this Bible story coloring book, so you can just craft a title, a unique title for your book, and publish on it. So I'll be checking. Let me check book published by individuals. I'll be skipping the ones sponsored, the ones published by commercial publishing company. For instance, this is individually published, independently published. The bestseller rank is 23,724, and once a bestseller rank is below 300,000, there is demand for that book. This shows that this seller is recording sales. This is just the simple truth about this bestseller rank. I'll be checking another one. independently published. So I'll be skipping the ones that are not independently published. This is independently published. This is giving bestseller rank of 12,900. It shows that this seller is recording sales. Please don't mind the noise in the background. Is a drizzling, so that's why you're hearing this noise. So I'm gonna check another book, independently published. This is also independently published, giving 12,429. So the about 3 books I've checked have shown that there is demand for this book. I'm going to be opening the interior of one of these books to show you that this book is very simple to create. This is also independently published, giving bestseller rank of 1,701. And if you check with 1,701 bestseller rank, 1,701, this person is making up to $11,550 every month and $385 every day, recording 100 copies every month, 100 copies every day, and 3,000 copies every month. This is incredible. Like, this seller is making a whole lot of money every month. So let's check what the interior looks like. So this is what the interior looks like. The seller did not show the interior, but from the review you can see what the interior looks like. It's just different pages of Bible verses with a coloring pattern. Looking at the interior of one of the books titled A Coloring and Activity Book for Boys, God Made Me Special, 30 pages of Bible verses and Christian images for kids to color. Look at, this is what the interior looks like. This is the cover page, and this is what the interior looks like. Different coloring images with Bible verses to inspire kids and for them to color. So you see, it's a very simple something to create. So if you want to create something like this, you go to Canva. This is another book. We'll be checking the interior, titled Bible Memory Verse Coloring Book for Kids. Short and easy verses to read, write, and color, still under Bible story coloring book. And this is what the interior looks like. This is what the interior looks like. Different Bible verses with an image to color. Is something you can create using ChatGPT and Canva. So I'll be going to create this. You go to Canva. To create this book, you go to Canva, click on create design, then custom design. Then you will see width, height, select inches, and then the width for coloring book on Amazon KDP, width is usually 8.5 by 11. So you impute it and you already have it here. You just select it and the design will come up. I've already made a detailed video on how to measure your dimensions and your trim size and everything. So I won't go into all of that now. I'll just go ahead and okay, this is the template. We need to measure the dimensions, which is 0.375. We are doing with bleed. I've already made a video on this. I've already made a detailed video on how to measure your dimension. You want to check my videos and watch it. So I'll just go and measure it and I'll start designing. So once you get your template ready by measuring the dimension and the trim size, then you go to Chat GPT to get your Bible verses. You can just ask Chat GPT to give, like I said, give me 30 Bible verses for kids coloring book, and Chat GPT will just do justice to that. So these are the Bible verses it has given me. So what you will do is to go back to Canva to start designing your book. You can use ChatGPT to generate your coloring images, or you can use Canva. So you will search for free coloring pages for your coloring book. Go to graphics. So these are what came out. So you need to check for anyone that is free that you can use. Avoid the ones with crown. They are not free to use. So when you search and there is no free one, like from what I've seen here, there's no free one, and I can't use any paid one. So what you can do is to go to Chat GPT to generate from Chat GPT. So you can just ask, give me a coloring background image for kids Bible story coloring book. This is what Chat GPT came up with. So you can just copy it. You can copy image, then go back to Canva to start designing your book. This is just an example. If you want a detailed video or tutorial on how to create a coloring book using Canva, I'll attach the link in my description so you can go and watch it. This is just an example of how you can design your book. This is not a detailed tutorial about it. So once you get your coloring background from Chat GPT, if you did not see any free one from Canva, you can get as many as possible from Chat GPT. You begin to copy and paste them on the templates you've already designed, and you start copying the Bible verses from Chat GPT to design it the way you like it. I mean, make it unique and beautiful. I've already made a detailed video about that, so I won't be going into detail right now. So in that video, you will also see how to accurately calculate your dimensions as recommended by Amazon KDP, because they have a specified dimension, trim size, paper size for coloring book, and if you don't get it right, they might block your book. So I will be attaching the link in the description of this video. You may want to click on it to go watch it on detailed tutorial on how to create a coloring book using Canva. It's just the same step for all the coloring books. The different might be the coloring images and the write-ups. So you can use Chat GPT and Canva to design any coloring book you want to create. Alright, that will be all for this video on a new KDP niche you can leverage on to increase your monthly sales on Amazon KDP. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, my name is Stacy, and on this channel I always share different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online sources. If you love this type of content, kindly subscribe, turn on your notification bell as to get notified each time I upload a new video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will see you again in my next video.